So this is the US 30 analysis for Thursday, 19th of April. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 24,420, from which we've had this strong move here towards the upside. Came pretty close towards within 3 points of the 24,864. Now, we've had price going to a bit of a consolidation at the moment, suggesting that the market is waiting for some information of some kind. I think it's earnings season in the US or something or other. So that possibly might explain why we've gone into this consolidative range here for a bit of a time. But what we have seen is we've seen prices after having this strong move to the upside pull back down towards this beyond this 24,864 all the way down towards this 24,800 level. Now, if we do hold resistance at the 24,800, which we do appear to be holding at present, then we could see a retracement down towards the 24,700, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards the 24,650. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, we're looking to see our price react towards that 24,550. At these levels, there is a possibility of seeing a bit of a bullish bounce. So if we do break down from where we are at present, there is a possibility of finding support at 24,700 for a move back up towards 24,800, and similarly at the 650 level. Now, if we do see that momentum follow through to the upside, we'll look to see if prices hold the 24,864 resistance. If we do break, however, to the upside beyond the 24,864, the very next level that we are looking at here is a move up towards our 25,000, this major level of 25,000, 25,101. And if we do successfully break beyond 25,101, we're looking for price to head up towards our 25,243 here on the US 30 to the upside. I wouldn't anticipate price moving much beyond the 24,243, but if we did move beyond 25,243, we're looking for 25,439. And similar to the downside, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 24,550. To the downside, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond 24,550. But if we did, 24,420, our last major swing low, would be a potential target. In around the 24,420, we do have the added confluence of the 200-period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bit of a bullish bounce from that level. But overall, the most recent trend is to the upside, so there is a possibility of seeing a pullback before seeing that upwards continuation here on the US 30. We'll have a brief look here at the daily chart just to see how prices are developing here on the US 30. We get the scale on here correct. And on the US 30, on a daily perspective, again, we formed our base here, formed a higher low there. We've had this fairly strong continuation to the upside. Fairly strong continuation. There is a possibility of seeing a bit of a pullback before seeing that upwards continuation to retest the old highs. So we'll see how prices go from here. The candles are still pretty small at the moment. Ideally, we'd like to see candles open to close to be larger, suggesting a greater degree of control by the bulls in this market. But due to the fact the candles are pretty small, suggesting there may be a bit of bearish overhang, or there might be a bit of caution on the from the bullish perspective. Now, with that said, that wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.